is not a dunce. When Mackerel do the interview and say, I never get no love by my mother, and she dig off. Remember the people them say, oh my God, I'm bald. Everybody shed a tear for Mackerel. You remember that interview on stage? When she run off? You remember that? When she run off, all me feel it when she ball and she run off. And her mother come on and her mother say, listen me, she was at the school for the blind and tutus. When me hear Mackerel mother say, I bus more and bus, cause me have some song, you hear me song ya? And me hear Mackerel mother come out and say she have song. And me I say, no, so me I leave the family alone. Me I leave the family alone. I left the family alone because they must stress me out. They must stress me out if I follow the family. I love it. I love it. I love it. See? So, when I laugh, you saw the wicked? Because it's funny now. Right? It's funny now. You saw when I laugh? It's funny now. It's funny now, you know? It's funny now. When just thinking back on it, when you see say, it's funny, right? I would have to laugh. Because I say, oh, Richie, remember this. Boy. That's why I don't come and come talk more time, you know. That's why I don't come and come talk more time, because when they talk the truth, them are going to say a bad mind, and them are going to say a big and stink, and them are going to say that. See? But me just love it. And there is so much other people who come on. There is so much other people who come on. So, people need to stop telling these people about them are fans. Oh, your fans them. Your fans them. Your fans them. Which fans? You know I'm not fans. Remember, you know, at one point, you know, Pampute and Barbara, you know, remember say, you know, a Pampute are the first woman mirrors a TV microwave and carry Canada, you know. Pampute are the first somebody TV microwave. Every day we laugh about Pampute. We say, TV girl microwave. And me and Pampute that Canada, you know. Me and Pampute that Canada. I say, TV girl microwave. Wait, they show me the microwave. And Pampute go take a picture of the microwave. I said, Jado, boy, you're rough, you know. Boy, you're rough. Boy, you're rough. Pampute, thief the girl microwave. Not the Pampute, you thief the girl microwave. Go Pampute, you thief microwave and Canada with you. Kiss of the lips, straight nose, and dreamy eyes. Jesus Christ, we nice. Mr. J, them girl color TV. So you see it? You see how I laugh? You saw everything funny now? All of this happening, you know. The nose of the line me I tell you now. All of this happen. All of this happen. So, the real talent them out here. The real talent them out here, them get shadow. Because social media run with every foolishness and make it and turn it and say everybody talented and oh, them have talent and I love the song. The song nice, the song catchy. The song catchy. Remember, you know, when Amari come and say, Nico, you mash up my life. You mash up my life. Deep on the street, never have nothing for it. I'ma ask if you help me. You say no, not a bumper kid. And the whole internet run with that. And remember, there goes Chat and Laugh for the hottest thing, boy. I'm already on Chat and Laugh and she said she wanted to do a song with Cartel and she love Cartel and one bag of something. And a crocodile bag, I think it's 17 scandal bag. And them, she thinks the laugh of them and laugh off her, everybody else say she mad. And she just goes up and come back and say, Chat and Laugh at lost here. But love of this, need that pissy, oh, don't care. Rise the tip And the whole internet again. Amari it. Remember, say for two name brand artists get them, they them a toural now. Remember, you know, Amari come and say, I'm gonna be bigger than Bob Marley. Remember, every year, Amari say, look out for her the next year. Every year, she say, look out for her the next year. You hear me say? You watch them a laugh. Watch them a laugh. Watch them. Watch them a laugh. I tell you, there's nothing good for doing. I pay a laugh for the laugh, you know. Look out for me. Amari. Spice, you say you don't know me, but you're gonna know me. I'm Amari. Look out for me in 2023. Last year, she said, look out for her in 2022. 2022 come now, you said, Amari, you didn't know me? Now you're gonna know me. I'm Amari. Spice, you're gonna know me. You're gonna know me, Amari. Look out for me. In 2023, Ana Amari. Remember, what am I doing in life, judge it? What am I doing now? What did I ever do in life? When I laugh, I pay laugh, when you come to laugh for people. Eh? Anybody go there the joke? Me I thought the truth. Alright. Remember again, you know. Queenie have a spirit way. Our spirit, she have a spirit way. If you try to understand Queenie, you have to just know if you deal with her. You deal with her from her arm's length because Queenie, at any time now, she knows that you're bipolar and she will just love you now and then curse you later. That's how she do her thing. And when time Queenie goes up and say, I'm not thief again. Done with this. I'm not thief no more candle. I'm not speak for no more security. I'm not do no them something there. See? Artist me a turn now. And she goes up and come and say, Queen wave. And she come and say the pussy clean, say the pussy fat. Say the man them love to see a lot of that. Say the man them coming like a sour sap. Them I wonder if I really queen that. Me full of chat and me not take it back. I remember say, Queenie a DJ for true. Queenie DJ and the place and everybody take it off in a 2020. The song run the place. The song nice, me not tell a lie. The song nice. Remember say, after the place go open up, the people know that take Queenie as the artist. After the place go open up and Dream Weekend go keep. After the place open up and Dream Weekend go keep, you know. Them nobody take Queenie as the artist. They want to tell Queenie about Queenie must give them for free. And Queen just cuss out the whole of them and say, me artist. Bam last year, Queenie must have bam. And say, hey, St. Thomas man. And take out their phone, maybe the popcorn and popcorn goes up and shun her. And Queenie said, wow. Remember, when Queenie said, wow, I just say, hey, St. Thomas man. The whole of God and Jesus and them disciple and Alibaba and the 40 thief, everybody come down. Queenie said, move your picky giant blood cleat. Dream not like you. You come talk about nobody don't know me. Me sing, me dance, me preach, me motivate, me cuss. Move your blood. Dirty popcorn. And she trace and she cuss and she go on. Remember, you know. Hey, St. Thomas man. Hey, St. Thomas man. Put our foot so. I said, that's why me have to love Beanie man. You not like you. I lick popcorn chip. See it? I lick popcorn chip. And me I said, Jaja, it's rough boy. See it? It's rough boy. But remember all of these things. Remember all of these things. All of them something I remember, you know. And we are going to remember. We remember. We remember. Somebody said Cliff Twang. Wanna remember I don't remember if at 2013 this or 2012, one of them time there, when the big storm did come, I remember Ivan said, nobody cannot cross it. If not a fisherman or a fisherwoman, the bus can swim. Remember, me say Cliff Twang, Passon Fest, Dirty Scatter. Dirty Scatter. May I make sure tell you this from now. From you can book Cliff Twang for Sunfest, you can book Amari. You can book Amari. Remember say Cliff Twang get $1 million. I don't remember if a line did make him get $1 million. I don't remember who, but a Scatter. Dirty Scatter. Scatter. The freak dread there. Him. Cliff Twang get $1 million. And when Cliff Twang get $1 million there, what the freak dread Scatter make him get? Scatter make him get the money there. Scatter make him get the money there. Scatter make him get the money there. Yes, when time Cliff Twang get $1 million there, him whole life changed for the worse. Cliff Twang about 30 level teen pitney. Cliff Twang get about, remember say one at a time, Cliff Twang, wife, lock him up, same rape her. Can Cliff Twang get married? The $1 million make him life mash up. You hear me say? The $1 million mash up Cliff Twang life. All the wife we married. I'll try to support them, come put him pan. Everybody did alright to him when him broke hungry and nothing now go on. Only $1 million where Cliff Twang get was said nobody can acquire it. Only a fifth man or a fifth woman. The boss can swim. You hear me say? A Cliff Twang make me know say your wife can say you rape her. Cliff Twang make me know that your wife can say you rape her. That's why I know say no means no. No means no. You hear me say? Alright. Again, stop mix Sarifa with real talent. Stop mix followers with fans. Instagram have followers, a few fans is on there. A few fans is on there. You remember again the next one I said, where macaroni I go? Where macaroni I go? And the bus drop down in a one part when the whole by rain a fall. It drop down in a one part to one. Where macaroni I go? Everybody a call out macaroni name. Where macaroni I go? Where macaroni I go? Where macaroni I go? Where macaroni I go? Where macaroni? Everybody start talking where macaroni I go. Everybody asks where macaroni I go, you know. Where macaroni I go? Alright. You know, say Ziddy have talent. Ziddy have talent, you know. But I'm telling you, Ziddy is a special child where you have to just take your time with him because he's artistic. And everybody says Ziddy artistic. But Ziddy have talent and him DJ. Ziddy have talent. But Ziddy is special. So I'm now going to put Ziddy in a fidem category. Don't mix Ziddy with them. Don't mix Ziddy with them. Ziddy is special. You have to just have patience with him. Anything where you get from Ziddy, you just take it. Easy, Margaret. Zimmy, Ziddy talented for true. Don't put Ziddy over for them part. Ziddy have talent. Now, hold tight. Can't remember what sister Ziddy is talented. Him just special. Especially special. Right. Somebody just remind me about Bully Beef there. When Mackerel come out, them go send out one Angiara name, so she name Bully Beef. Remember Bully Beef, big and fat. And she get it the worst more than everybody else. Them beat her, nearly kill her, them choke piece of shit on her, them did her wicked. Bully Beef a come, Bully Beef a come. Because she come out and rush out by Mackerel. See? She come out and rush out by Mackerel. Me say them give bully beef some lick, them beat her, them piss pan her, them shit pan her. Yo, them do her all kind of things. Champagne asks how Ziddy is talented. Ziddy can play the drums. Ziddy can sing. And Ziddy can actually DJ. So, when you have the time, just go up on him page and look on Ziddy. Look on Ziddy. Ziddy is talented. Me can't play drum. And Ziddy can't play drum. See? Me say, when bully beef run out and bully beef roll upon the ground and bully beef go all kind of things. Yo, me I say, Jano, cause them fat shame her and I say she big and stable than her area. Show me fat, me that try hold it for her and I say, no man, leave bully beef alone. But she take boots in from them and them nearly kill her. Barbara full of talk. Barbara not a talent. Barbara full of talk. Remember saying when you live a ghetto you have to quick. Because you have to can trace and Barbara can trace. But not a talent Barbara have. My jungle me coming from, you know. I mean know Barbara and the whole of her family them. Me and Barbara good. But Barbara claim to fame. Barbara talk about the cash pot man. Me buy rice in play cornmeal. Me buy oxtail in play chicken back. Me buy this in everybody that go viral. Remember viral people go and them say them have talent, you know. But talk about candy, man. Anybody when I hear the candy part, I just go watch back the live. You see? But Rose never have no talent. Rose is very slow also.